Hivapaiva, olen Gaurav, tulen Indiasta. I'm doing my master's in radio science in Aalto ILEC, and I come from India. If Aalto had tuition fees, I wouldn't even have considered Aalto to do my master's. Maybe I would have gone somewhere, or maybe America. There's a lot of courses, PDP, I'm the project manager of one of the groups, and it has really been very beneficial for me. And I plan to do my PhD in future in Aalto, and also maybe start my own business. That's one of the reasons I took PDP. So I would really like to work and start up a business and do my PhD, which sounds crazy, in Finland. And I hope that the tuition fee is not implemented, so that future students come here and benefit, and Finland benefits from their talent. So yeah, thank you. Kiitos.